Hi, I am Balwinder Singh, your mentor, coach, success coach. I have found that there is a big problem in the world that people don't have, the children, the youngsters, they don't have their mentors, the guides, those who can guide them what to do, what not to do, when not to do in their lives. So, I would like to tell you my story. I was born in a low middle class family where my father was in army, and at the very young age I started having responsibility, feeling responsibility that what I will be doing in my life, who will be guiding me. There was nobody to guide me. There was nobody to tell me which way to go, what to do, how to grow in your life. And finally, having no guide, no mentorship, I just went into the same field which my father was in. I went into the defense services. It was a very long time, like 20 years I worked into Indian Air Force. And having no aim, having no passion, I just spent whole my youth, 20 years into that, and just killed my time. The moment I realized that my whole youth, whole 20 years of my life at the age of 60, 18 to 38 years of my life is wasted, immediately I resigned my job. Though I was having a small pension to run my family, but still I wanted to pursue my passion, do some business, see what capability I'm having, what potential I'm having, and I left the job. And it was the risk, that risk I took for my life. And having that risk taken, it made me to realize that I have to do something. The moment I did started doing some business, I realized that there is a lot of hard work. And I did for 13 years, around 15 hours in a day, having a lunch packed in my bag. I go to the market. I did my pursued my passion. And finally, after 35 years of my entrepreneurship, today I am very successful and I enjoy my life. Having said that, my colleagues, those who are still in the job, they will be getting retired in a next 1.5 year. And they will be finding very difficulty to pass their time, kill their time. And whereas myself, I will not be having that problem. My business, I will be busy in my business. Not only busy in my business, I also made 5 people working in my company. I I made them second leaders of my business. And now I'm trying to pursue my third option of my life. After my service for 20 years, my business for 15 years, building up and putting into the automation. And now third one is my greatest passion, which was in my heart, is to give to the universe, to the people, my family, my surroundings, what I have got, what lessons I have got in my last 35 years of my life. So now I'm into the mission to make 1 million leaders by next 1.5 year, by December 2022. Thank you very much for watching.